Welcome to Cardigan Bay Fishing Adventures. My name is David Barber. Today we are working on the boat. Again, I say I'm working on the boat a lot, don't I? This is not going to be a progress update or a walk around video. I'm actually going to do some work on the boat and video it. It is not going to be exciting, I can tell you that now. So if you want to skip the video, you can skip the video. Doing lots of prep, and I'm going to walk around and show you what we've done so far. It may look no different, but I can assure you there's a lot changed. Basically, we'll get into it now, walk around, show you everything I've been doing, show you what I'm doing going forward, and then we'll start doing some work on the video and show you how I'm getting through it in case you're doing a boat rebuild. As you can see, the rear of the boat's had quite a bit of work done, and you're probably thinking, has it? All of this has been flatted back. I do need to give it another light coat of filler and give it another flatting. You can see all the dust on the floor and on that sib down there. So this splash well has been mostly sanded. I just need to get into these corners, but this is pretty much ready for paint in the orange areas. These areas need a little bit more work to get them flat. This has all been flatted back. I need to get it dead level. I don't know if from down here, if you'll be able to see it. It does look level on the camera, but it's not 100% true. In the last video, I may have shown this has been rebuilt. I have now done the other side as well. That's been rebuilt right around. It just looks factory. And then the big part as well, I'll show you in a sec inside, but these look surface tissue, and it's coming out pretty nice and flat, as you can see. It's working well, but that does still need a bit more work. Up around this side, we've got all the paint off the front. As you can see, there's no more paint on here now. That's technically ready for spray painting. All of this, from all the way in the front, all the way around this side's been done. All the way down to that point now. So just need to get that last little bit off along there. I've give this a good sand, a really, really good sand. Need to hit it a bit more, then I'm gonna go over it with surface tissue. That may be inside this video. We're not 100% what I'm exactly gonna do yet. So, inside the boat, I can't wait to show you this. You ready? The wood has been cut for the deck and the deck is down. It makes a hell of a difference. I have my son up here. He's in his second year carpentry and he's the one that cut all the deck in. What I'll do now is jump in the boat quickly and show you inside the boat. So, as you can see, the deck is down. We do need to do a little bit more trimming. It's just sitting on top here. There's a little bit of trimming to do there, a few mil off. But yeah, this is the decking, and in the front, changes the boat completely. As you can see towards the back. And the amount of room, what I'll do is I'll set the camera up and show you what I'm on about. Where you're set up now is where you stand next to the cuddy at the front of the boat, and you can see how much deck space we've got. This is technically big enough to fish 6 people easily, because you can have somebody here, somebody there, and somebody there. That's how big the deck is. It's only a 17-foot boat, so to have a deck this size and manage to make this much space on a boat this small, with loads of storage in the cuddy, it is good going, to be fair. I didn't expect it. Obviously the cuddy's forward a bit, the flybridge is also forward a bit. Yeah, there's absolutely loads of room in here. Can't wait to get it finished, and it's this close now. So yeah, let's crack on with some jobs. Don't even know where I'm starting today. These lips on the gunnels, these ones here, I need to rebuild these. Hopefully you can see I've been in shot in the camera, but I need to rebuild those. And then silly things, spin this camera around. All of this inside here, this needs sanding back a little bit. Nothing extreme, but you can see we've got bits of fibres of glass. Little bits of fibres of glass. It just needs freshening up, finishing off, and up on the ceiling. If I flip it, you can see up here, look, fibres of glass. So what I need to do is flat this fiberglass back into that paint so I can get a nice join between the original paint and the original fiberglass. This is the reason why I've fiberglass just over onto the paint, just so I can level it in nicely. And obviously this needs sanding back quickly so we can repaint it all. You can see there's still a bit of old flaky paint. So this all needs to come off and then, yeah, paint it. You can see also up here where I've joined the glass into this. So this needs sanding back flat as well. It's nothing mega, it's just little bits, if that makes sense. But as you can see, there's lots of bits of prep everywhere. The exterior of the boat, I've got to get it as glassy smooth as possible. It's not going to be 100%, but I want to get it as close to 100% as I can. The inside of the boat, I don't want it glassy smooth. I do want a rough fiberglass finish and then paint the inside. So I'm going to finish my cup of tea and then we're going to crack on. I'm not 100% what to do today. I'm going to have to start sanding the paint off here and here. I do need to rebuild that piece at the back. I need to try and find it. It's in here, in the shed somewhere. I lost it, I found it, and I lost it again. Dave style. Need to get the paint off that side. So yeah, we'll have quite a few hours now of getting rid of the paint. And then we're going to start looking at doing some glass work, some surface tissue, some stuff like that, which I don't think I've shown much of on the channel. So we'll show what it does and show how effective it can be. It is good stuff and it's cheap. Well, cheapish. So let's get on. Well, I'm going to finish up for today. I've done a lot of sanding today. I'll do a quick walk around with the camera before it goes dead and show you. To be honest, I'm not sure how much different it looks, but all the bow's been done. That checkered sort of finish has gone. I've rounded the corners up on here. Got them smoother. They're not finished yet. But you can see it is taking shape. This prep stage is a lot of work. I've cleaned the well out so you can see the well, and even the gunnels and stuff. You can just see it's taking shape. The lines are starting to look right again. Just trying to get around it pretty quick before this camera dies. As you can see, I need to carry on sanding these parts here tomorrow. I would like to start doing some fiberglass tomorrow if I can. So you can see this edge as well. Just getting the shapes nice around here. Oh, little spider there. Yeah, these shapes need to be right around these parts. But if I lift you right up, you can see on top of that roof. The bow is done, mostly, as you can see. I've also got that nice radius back in here. Well, I won't say I got it back because there wasn't one before it was bolted, but the bow's smooth, as you can see. So yeah, this I'll add on to this video, to be honest. It's exciting though, isn't it? We'll get in there. Not going to be long. Well, I hope not anyway. So yeah, I'm going to pack up and this will be the end of today. But this video I'll probably carry on tomorrow. I'll see you then.